Welcome back. I hope that you've enjoyed working on this design project. I know that I certainly have. It was a little bit more challenging than I thought, and I think really what it comes down to is making a slight adjustment to that stair. So let's go and I will show you roughly how I approached the problem, and then I'll show you my final result. So as I mentioned, I think really I wanted to start with trying to clarify this and this, and really what that requires, I think, from the front is that we rethink that stair. It's just really unfortunate that it comes down right in front of the entrance like that, and I think that we need to try to clarify that and also make a bit more of a distinction between that front entry and that front living space. So what I'm going to suggest is actually that we try to respect this line all the way across and use this portion of the plan to put the stair, the front entry, the back entry, and the bathroom, the guest bathroom, and then try and leave all of this open, or as open as we possibly can, trying to get the kitchen over here in this side, the dining room there, having the living room here, the front entry, the stair, the bathroom, and the rear entry, back entry over on this side. What that requires is that we move that stair down just a little bit in order to be able to make a little bit more space. Let me just erase all of this, and I'll quickly draw a sketch of what I was thinking. So typically you want to have about 5 feet as a minimum entrance to be able to come in. Fortunately, the dimensions are such that we can have a closet there, we can have a 5-foot entrance like that. And then I'm going to suggest that we actually turn the stair so that we have 4 like that, 4 risers there, and then let that go up like that. And then from here back, what we need to do is try and get, again, respecting this line, get a bathroom in there, toilet, sink, and a door there, and then just use the rest of that for the back entry, moving that door in from the garage into there. What that lets us do then is have a full length counter along the back. We can have an island here, so we actually get a little bit more counter space, certainly usable counter space, putting a pantry there, and then the refrigerator, and then I thought the stove should be over this side and the sinks there. We can then have a dining room. There were a couple of comments last week about having a big dining room. You can always adjust the size of, or the length of all of the furniture templates that we've got, as you'll see that I did in just a couple of minutes, and then we can have the furniture grouping here on the front. Let me show you the final result. You can see that we've reduced this from a 6-person table down to 4. We've got a nice clear circulation corridor there. There's a space for a built-in piece of cabinetry there, perhaps with a stereo, wine, whatever it is you might like. You've got a nice kitchen. We've got a good back entry, and then we've got a decent way to sit where it's clear how the furniture is going to be organized. That's my solution for the design project for the week. I'm always interested in what you've been doing, and Matthew's going to be commenting on both your designs as well as mine. I hope you had fun, and we'll see you tomorrow.